Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Cardano, like I said in my last video, which was I think on Saturday, I wanted to keep you updated. So that's what we're doing right now. We'll do a technical update, we'll do a news update / fundamental update, and at the end of the video, we'll also talk about some trade opportunities, which I think are coming pretty close at this point of time in terms of the price. And I think the fundamentals also support that. So there's a lot to talk about. So let's get right into it. If I did not say it at the start already, hope you're doing good. Crypto markets are open again. It's the first week after summer. So in general, things are possible. First of all, the fundamental situation for Cardano, in terms of what we're seeing in numbers, is still relatively the same. All right, the total value locked is dropping down. Daily transactions are not great. Fees are low. So Cardano fundamentally is not doing amazing. Now, we did have the Chang hard fork, all right, and that was yesterday, I believe, or 2 days ago. I think that's relatively bullish in terms of like the long-term developments technologically for Cardano. I don't want to spend too much time about that because otherwise we will not be able to get into anything. However, even though I think that's a bullish factor for Cardano, short term, when we think about the price, that could also be a sell the news effect. And that, in combination with the technicals, is, I think, what we've seen. We saw a bit of a drop after September the 1st. That is also what we talked about. Last video, we dropped down below 35 cents. And what I said back then is that, 35 cents, 34.5 cents, it's quite a strong level. Now that we've broken down below that, it's most likely will drop down to this level right here around 32 cents. So if you watched that video, you would have been prepared for that. Was supported by that sell the news effect, even though I don't think it was that strong of a sell the news effect. And at this moment, what that means is that Cardano is still trending down. We're still moving down towards that 32 cents level, but that's also where the opportunity kicks in. Now, first of all, to kind of sketch a background in which that opportunity arises, at this moment, the market as a whole is trying to bounce, all right? You can see that Bitcoin, after finding this bottom, is trying to set up some sort of a bullish market structure, which is great, all right? Because in the end, it's unfortunately the truth, but Cardano usually doesn't rally if Bitcoin is bearish, all right? So that's, in general, that's solid context in which Cardano can rally. But then apart from that, what I think is even more interesting is that we are kind of being squeezed right here, all right? So what you can see in terms of the price, if I can find some sort of a nice triangle for you, is that there is a solid downtrend here, and that was also to be expected, and that's still going on right now. But there also is a very strong level right here at 32 cents. I've been naming that level for quite a while now, but that is the main level I put faith in. Because historically, as you can see right here, that is a very strong level. Now, we have spiked below that quite often, and technically I would say it's more between 32 and 30 cents. So it's a little bit bigger, and then it also draws in that psychological support level of 30 cents. So I should actually change it to be something like this. But I do think that level will hold, especially if Bitcoin turns relatively bullish here. I think there's a major opportunity to buy Cardano right here. Now, will I personally do that? No, I will wait for confirmation. All right, so what we see right here is that there is a strong downtrend here. Cardano is still being shorted, which is bearish for now. Could be bullish if Bitcoin turns more bullish, because then all of a sudden you have liquidation levels at the top here, which is obviously bullish, right? But no, I will wait for confirmation. What I expect is that we'll remain bearish, we'll drop down into that level, and then at some point of time from this level, we'll get some momentum, we'll get a bullish breakout, and that's when I'll buy. All right, so I think this level will hold, but due to the fundamental weakness of Cardano, I will not blindly buy that area. I will watch the area, I will monitor Cardano, and I will buy after the breakout, and hopefully also if we gain some good open interest. Those are my thoughts. That's, I think, the main opportunity. This is what I think is most likely for now on the short term. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.